Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video about some indices. So let's get started. I made few charts around 22nd July and then 27th July. So this is the first chart. It's German DAX, right? DAX weekly chart I made on the 22nd July. This is how, there was a high here, right? The all-time high. So I was expecting that it might be in getting stopped here and then drop. So what happened to this one, DAX, is this. So it went up a little bit last week, but then this week you can see it's powerful bearish engulfing candle, right? And we closed below this. So maybe continue to the downside next week. God knows, right? Let's see. Let's watch. Nice rise all the way to the upside. And with US dollar getting weaker after NFP today, Friday, yesterday, we might be going to the downside even more. Let's see what happens. So this is German DAX. So far, so good. The next chart on my radar was this Nasdaq weekly chart, and this is a pattern. This is XABCD, 61 to 38 to 161. It's usually it's a crab pattern calculation like this one. No, it's not. Sorry, like this one. It's a crab pattern. The B point supposed to be at 61%, then C point 38 to 88, anywhere, and then this one at 161, right? So if you look at this, where the heck it go? Well, oh yeah, this one. So this is 61%, then 38, and then boom, all the way to 161. So this is XABCD, and I was expecting that it will drop from here. And what happened to this chart so far, Nasdaq, what it is doing is this. So we have a powerful bearish engulfing candle on this one as well after the pattern was finished here. And the number to watch was 157.18. And now we are well below that. And I think that we're going to be going to the downside even more. So let's see what happens. Next chart was on my, okay, S&P 500. Right, weekly chart, and in this here right now at this moment, it's a pattern. It's a harmonic pattern. It's called a butterfly pattern. Is finished, and it looks like usually this. So see butterfly pattern. This B point supposedly be at 78, and then 23% line, and or 38%, 78 to 38 to 127. Right. So if you look at that. Where is that? So, okay, here. So what happened? Current chart is this. So it was 78, 38 to 127, and powerful bearish engulfing candle here as well, right? Going and closing below 45.50. As I said, must stay below 45.50. I made this chart on 22nd July. Today is 5th August. And now this chart is started to play out. So let's see what happened on this one as well. And what else? The last but not least is US 30. Again, I forgot to mark here that's going to get stopped here and drop, but this was the number in question, 35,627. If we can stay below, we would go down. And this chart, I made it on the 27th of July, right? So this one, as of today, what happened to US 30 is this. Same thing. All four indices there are posting a bearish engulfing candles here at the levels, right? So 35,627 held, and we have a powerful black candle. But this number to watch, if you can take this out, then we can go to 34,287, and then this one, and so on and so forth. So these are the highs that you gotta watch. And these are the indices. Also, yesterday we had Friday, we had NFP, and before that, I made this chart a couple of days ago, US dollar 40-minute, and you can see here it is also a very bad pattern, right? And I posted here the diagram as well, that it's supposed to be 50%, then 23% line, and then 88%. So you can see here that it was 50%, then 23% line, and then 88% here, right? And after that, what happened to this one so far is this. It dropped right from there. So far, we are here, right? And we are below 1026, which is a very big number. So if we can stay below 1026, USD will continue going down. US dollar index will continue going down, and USD will get weaker even more. And that will send a lot of other pairs. I mean, it affects all the pairs, right? So pound USD, Euro USD, they already started go up. And as I had those charts as well, a 40-minute chart showing that we're going to have an up move, and we started already. So several charts are in line. I'm going to make all new charts, by the way, anyway, this over the weekend, and send out to my subscribers. So if you want to get involved, you want to be a part of my group, you want to learn how to do this mumbo jumbo, technical analysis, and all of that, I have a one-on-one course where I'm having a 50% discount as well. So you can go and join. I have few spots left open, because as I finish some of those one-on-one, so I can take a few more. And yeah, so, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, so that you can get my videos on time. The next video I probably will make about the US dollar index as well, in detail, what will happen, and then what will happen to US dollar, I mean USD yen, USD CAD, all of those pairs, USD pairs. And then I'll make the video about the yen index. Very, very interesting. And it is also, yen index, when it moves, the yen pair move big time, 200 pip, 250 pip in a day. So you have big opportunities in yen pairs as well. So like I said, yeah, if you like what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe, and take it from there. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.